Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at the Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxing of the case I got for the Redmi Note 9S. And I hope I'm going to pronounce the brand correctly, but it seems to be TOPOFU, T-O-P-O-F-U. So, TOPOFU or TOPOFU, whatever its name is. The packaging is mostly plastic and is simple to get into. There you go. Just open it up. And I'm going to take my Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S out of its ornato case. If you haven't already, you can watch the unboxing and first impressions of that case on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel. And if you'd like to support us, you can subscribe to us as well here on YouTube. Right then, I'll take the case out of it. The reason I got this is I want to try out having a Folio case for this device. And this one in particular seems to have some smart cover functionality, which I hadn't seen featured on the Redmi Note 9S by Xiaomi themselves. So, as you can see in the details here, it says Smart Window. Auto sleep, auto wake, time and date are shown. So I'm going to see if that works automatically. If not, I'll use the QR code here to try and download an app and see if that works on the device. Now, this is my lovely shiny Redmi Note 9S, and this fits in nice and snugly in the case like that. Easy peasy. So I'm going to use my fingerprint to unlock the screen. There we have it. And close that. Now there seems to be a sticker here with a time on it. I don't know why it's always 12:45 on Wednesday, March 29th, but I'm going to pull that protector with the sticker off and see if that does anything. Okay. Now, natively no smart unlock, but you can see that the case has a nice bumper on the back which protects the camera module on the Redmi Note 9S. The Folio case fits nicely, but it's a bit loose on the sides. I'm just moving it sideways slightly. It's not fixed. So that's maybe a detraction from it, but it's nice and shiny, and more importantly, it's purple. And the good thing about this is apparently you can use it as a stand whilst watching media. So I'm going to unlock with my thumb. Let's try and put on, I don't know, a YouTube video of the Tech Travel Weeks. Or let's go with Michael Fisher. I'll put that on and we'll see how that performs. Now we'll skip the ads. So yes, it works well. There's Michael. And you can see his video is good. There's no interruption. The case doesn't cover any of the bezels where you see that, and it seems to be quite stable as a stand for watching video or consuming media on the device that way. There we go. So I switched it off. No, I'm not seeing anything there, and I can't see most of Action Launcher probably because of the color settings I have here. So what I'm going to do is go through that QR code and see if the app helps. Bear with me. Right then, I have installed the app that came with the Smart View cover, but I'm not actually seeing anything happen. As you can see in this case, the screen is still on underneath the case. You can just see my row of icons and Action Launcher in the background. But it's a bit disappointing. So I went to the App Store using the QR code provided, and it's not available in the Google Play Store or the Xiaomi Store. I installed the Smart View app, which was password secure by Google Play and by Xiaomi with the security scan. I switched the Smart View switch on and nothing happened. As you can see, I've closed the screen. You can still see my icons there. Tap on that again. Let's switch it on. Okay, now it works. which is interesting. So that did actually work this time. Let's see if this happens here. No, it seems that you need to be in the app itself, or, okay, no, it does work. I take that back. It seems to be working, but not consistently. And if you move your finger slightly on the case, as that would do in the pocket, the screen keeps on switching on and off. I don't think this case is worth it. This is a no from me. The fact that it doesn't work consistently, that you need a third-party app to make this work, is all a bit dodgy. I don't think this app is a good idea, so I'm going to uninstall that and just use it as a standard case with my phone. I do need a phone stand that I can use as a holder for watching video. For example, catching up with not only Michael Fisher, but say the latest Android Central videos, watching twit.tv, or watching All About Android. But I'm afraid this case doesn't really do what it says on the tin. I'm not going to complain too much because the case was £4.88. That's just over $5 US dollars. It's nice and eye-catching purple. There is a nice clash between the purple and the green of the phone. The cutouts for the microphone, infrared port, ports and fingerprint scanner, and all the ports at the bottom are great, no issues there. It's nice fit, snug fit. The issue is that it's not fixed, it wobbles a bit. As you can see, the side comes sideways. But I suppose that happens with cases that have to also be a stand. One other thing I would say, I'm quite worried about the case not clipping closed, it doesn't stay closed. That is a reason for concern, because if you say put this in a pocket, something can get stuck underneath, and if you apply pressure will cause your screen to scratch, or even worse, crack. So maybe not the best case to use on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S if you're going to be carrying it in your pocket. So overall, not very good first impressions, no support from the app that is reliable. I would say don't buy this case. It may be tempting because it's inexpensive, but maybe get another Folio case, spend a bit more on than what you would spend on the TOPOFU case for the Redmi Note 9S. And I'm struggling to get it out of the case, which is not necessarily a bad thing. Yeah, there we go. So I will be putting my Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S back in the Ornato jelly case with nice corner bumps. We will have a link in the description to this video for the TOPOFU purple case that we have unboxed in this video, but we don't recommend you buy it. We will also put a link to our unboxing and first impressions of the Ornato case for the Redmi Note 9S, which is a great case. It does a good job of protecting your Redmi Note 9S without covering the front. And we'll leave you at that. So thank you for watching this unboxing of the TOPOFU Redmi Note 9S case. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And for now, thank you for watching and goodbye.